Jason from Tomball has a question about a 1920s home.
Yeah, it's this.
It was the original Tomball.
It was. Well, it could be.
Right
It's
there.
over. It's a 1920s home
cool.
over near the depot.
Yeah,
right?
I know exactly where it is.
And this is it right here.
It's cute.
I wonder if it came with a trailer.
I don't know, but the trailer matches nicely.
Tomball. Anyway, Jason writes, I need help with foundation and siding decisions. He's got a couple questions for you here, so stay with us. We've got a couple. I have $10,000 foundation quote for all new base and blocks and extra beams, raising the house about 10 inches. But I also have a $20,000 quote with more blocks, but they say going until they hit bedrock. Do you think that's necessary?
I don't know if they'll hit bedrock. There's no bedrock in Texas.
I was going to say.
They'll hit a soil. If you're going to put underpinning of piers or whatnot down in there, they'll have to go down deep. You can do a soil report and find out, but there's no bedrock. So if a guy comes from up north and said he's going to go down and give you bedrock, then he's not really familiar with the area, so I'd be careful.
Yeah, so probably the $10,000 bid is probably going to be plenty then.
Yeah, usually those homes will crawl a little bit no matter what. And if you need to, I do a perimeter wall all the way around, or you can add more blocks. And if it depends how the structure is. But they'll crawl once in a while and have to be adjusted. But to keep them perfectly still all the time is almost near impossible.
Now, Jason's second question talks about the siding. He loves the wood siding, he says. Are there any benefits to keeping it wood?
Well, it's a 1920s home. And if you like the wood siding, the benefit is that you'll like the wood siding. If you changed it to a hardy, the weight would be kind of an issue because you are increasing the weight. So increasing the support underneath the house would probably be necessary. It'll look great. It'll last a long time. It's a great product. But if you want that 1920s feel, there's nothing wrong with painting. Today's paint's very good.
All right, there you go. You got questions? Even a couple of them. Send them our way. We'll answer them. Send to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our videos over there or subscribe to our channel.